nail fam, I hope that you are well. So I went on Amazon and I decided to buy myself my very first XXL stiletto tip. Now these are not full cover tips like the usual tips that I wear, so this is actually my first time applying these half cover tips to my nails. So I've seen videos where they actually just take off that bottom portion, so I just snipped that off at the bottom, and I will be applying these to my nails, hopefully with base gel. I don't have, well, I do have nail glue, but I don't use nail glue. So I'm going to use base gel and I'm going to actually see if it works. Now I want to make these into XXL square. So I'm going to take my scissors and clip off the tip of the nail. This pack came with two kinds. It came with a white and it also came with a clear. It's a little bit dirty, but I'm okay with that. Also, I saw this lamp. It was on like a limited, when those limited specials pop up on Amazon. Maybe it's just me because I spend so much time on Amazon, but I decided to get me a UV lamp that was, I think, 48 watts. 48 watts, I believe this is. And I decided to get it. So this is my new lamp, and hopefully it will cure my polygel a little bit better, because the other mini lamp that I had wasn't curing my polygel completely. So I'm going to test this one out. Okay, I just had a peek at the Amazon listing. So my correction, this is actually a 58 watt lamp. And what is so cool about this lamp is that it's auto detect. So I actually don't have to press the button if I don't want to. So I can just stick my hand in, it automatically turns on, and then it counts down, or you can let it count up. I'm not sure how you change that setting, but I have used this in this video and it is very cool. So also you can, if you have to hold your nail down, you can just stand the lamp up like this. So yeah, I think for around 11 euros, I think I paid for, and this is not USB plug-in, so I actually get to get the full electrical circuit to get my nails nice and cured. So if you're looking for a cheap lamp, definitely recommend this one. So again, on Amazon, Modelones recently came out with two new polygel kit that I'm noticing, because sometimes I just go on Amazon and I just search for Modelones or Savillon or Beetles or something like that, and just look to see if there's something new. So this is a new polygel kit that they recently came out with, and it comes with a set of 12 mini polygels. The polygels are only 10 grams each. Usually in these kind of mini kits, they are 15 grams, but these ones are 10 grams. And that's fine, I guess, if you are just going to be using them sparingly. Like, I don't think one color is going to cover all 10 of your nails. But if you look at the 15 grams from Savillon, you can see that it's a little bit smaller. But again, you get more colors in this. Even the one from MAKARTT is around 15 grams like that. But just for reference, I do have a 30-gram one that's from Beetles, and you could just see, so you're getting like 4 different colors compared to one of the Beetles. So now I'm just going to go through all of the colors that's in this kit, and then you can make a decision whether you want to purchase this for yourself. It doesn't come with a spatula, it doesn't come with lip solution, it doesn't come with a base gel or anything like that. So to prepare my nails, I'm going to apply some nail strengthening hardener to my nails first, something I've actually hardly ever done, because in case these pop off, I don't want to damage my natural nails. And then I'm going over that hardener with this Savillon base gel. I will be using the Savillon base gel to also apply that tip to my nail. So I'm just going to go ahead and dehydrate the nail tip with some isopropyl alcohol and then some base gel onto my nail. All right, let's see if this works. I don't know, because this isn't a Gel X nail tip, so I don't know if it worked. Yay! Wow, it actually did work. And I don't know if it's gonna last. It might pop off, but Obviously, I won't be wearing these nails that long anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and file and buff these nails to get it flush with my natural nail and before I apply any polygel. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab my handy dandy scissors and just clip the top of this until it gets to, you know, it looks a little bit square. So there you go. This is how it looks after I have filed and buffed the nails. And now I'm going to go in with some base gel and cure under my UV lamp. So now I am going to go ahead and start to do my nails, but I did have a subscriber leave a comment and it was actually a really good suggestion. She had said she was curious to know where I was from and how I got started into nails. So for the rest of this video, I'm just going to give a very brief intro to myself. I'm TiaBella. I am actually originally from the Caribbean, a tiny little dot on the planet called the Bahamas. But a lot of people here in Ireland and possibly elsewhere in the world assume that I'm actually from the United States based on my accent. I don't think I sound American, but I have spent 10 years in banking and I have serviced a lot of American customers. So I don't know if that kind of influenced my accent when I was a tad bit tiny little thing back in the day. I got started into nails last year during the lockdown. I think for some reason I was looking online and at the time press-on nails was getting a lot of publicity. So I started looking into purchasing products to do press-on nails, and that's actually one of my very first videos that I've done. But I did purchase my first polygel kit maybe 3 years ago, but that was a complete disaster. So only last year did I really get into wanting to do my nails. And as I continue to learn, some of the first videos I saw was long hair pretty nails, baby girl nails, stay polished. Who else was I watching? You know, there were just different videos that of the popular people, Femi Beauty and Emily Susanna. So after watching it for a while, I started purchasing one product here, one product there, and then December was like a complete nail haul. And then since then, I've just been buying lots and lots of nail products and also learning as well. And you know what? It's really turned from a distraction to a full-on like pleasure. It really is fun doing my nails, and I really do enjoy it. And I hope to continue to learn more. I would be curious to know if anyone that's listening, are you certified? Are you a professional? If you would recommend places that offer courses in case I want to do this professionally. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm getting there. So there is a little bit about me, and I am just about finished doing my nails, and this is how they turned out. So for my very first time doing XXL, let me know what you think. Let me know down in the comments if you thought I was American too. And I will see you in my next video.